How you doing? This is Steve. Last week I did a race, and Saturday I had a flat tire, running tires and tubes. Back tire went flat, and I was like, okay, that's it for me. So I just walked to the finish. What I'm trying to do now is switch to tubeless, so that I can run lower pressures without worrying too much about getting a flat. Sealant, stand sealant, valves, and rim tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this rim. This is the back wheel. I'm going to tape this rim up, seal all these spoke holes, and give that rim a good seal there. This is the tubeless ready Donnelly PDX. This is the 21 millimeter width. It might be a little wide, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, I got the rim taped. We'll see if it works or not. Alright, I got the tire on there with no trouble. I got the valve on it. Gotta make sure it's not blocking the tire from sealing. And then you make sure that the tire is on both sides of the valve and not on top of it. And then you take a valve core remover, get the valve core out. Okay, I got the valve core out. So now I can get sealant in it through the valve. This part I like to do outside. I take I got the sealant in there. 2 ounces of sealant. I have this air shot. You can screw it right into the valve. Connect your pump deal to it. Start pumping that deal up to, I would say, I'm gonna go 120. Alright, that's pressurized to about 120, and then you release that, and it's leaking pretty good. Shake that sealant around. It looks like it's leaking a little around the sidewalls. Hopefully this bead stays pretty seated. We won't lose our bead seal. Give it a really good shaking. That's pretty good. So that's done. One down, one to go. The stance tape didn't end up working for me. I redid the back wheel with orange seal 18 millimeter tape. So what I have is the front wheel now with the orange seal tape, and I got a tube in there now. Alright, so now I got the tire back on there, tube out. So I'm going to try to see if I can get this pumped up with no sealant in it first. Get the beads settled in there. But that's not working. I need the air shot. That was pretty good. It is leaking places. I hear it leaking. Yeah, right here. That means the tape job's not that good because it's leaking through the tape. Alright, so I added about an ounce of sealant to it. And I think my tape job wasn't perfect on this wheel because I did have a small leak. But it wasn't big, but it was small enough that the sealant immediately sealed it. So now it's no leaks. When you're doing tubeless, it's all about the tape job. That's finished.